So guys, welcome to Mr. Magic, and in today's video you will learn how to make your face like superheroes, or you can say devil or mutant with Picsart. So without wasting any time, let's continue.
So I'm using this black and white photo for the editing, but if you use any colored photo, then make sure to make those parts black and white in which you want to apply this effect. As this photo is already monochrome, so I'm heading towards the next step, that is click on the draw icon and select the paint brush size and opticality level, and then select the color white and then apply the white color in the eye area. And guys, one more thing is, do not forget about this Sunday because something special is waiting for you. After that, click on this add photos option and add this types of glowing yellow color you will find on Google in the eyes area, and select the blending option screen. And now click on the add photos option and add this types of volcano structure on the face and select the blending option overlay. And after that, click on the above eraser icon and keep the volcano structure photo only in the skin areas. So it is done, but the thumbnail was blue and it is orange, so something is wrong, right? So now click on the tools option and then click on adjust and then select hue and then keep the color that suits your face.
So guys, that was all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, then click on the like button, and if you have not, then please let me know in the comments below, and if you are new to my channel, then press on the subscribe button with the bell icon. So see you again in my next video.